The OBD2 port in the 2013-2017 Chevrolet Trax models is a standard 16-pin connector used for vehicle diagnostics and emissions monitoring. It's your gateway to understanding your car's health, retrieving trouble codes, and even monitoring real-time data. This video will guide you to its precise location and explain how to use it. In the Chevrolet Trax 2013-2017, the OBD2 port is located under the driver's side dashboard. Specifically, look near the steering column or the pedal area. It is typically hidden behind a removable cover or panel. Get in the driver's seat, look downwards to the left of the pedals. You may need to pry or unscrew a small panel, but in most cases, no tools are required. The port is trapezoidal shaped. To access the OBD2 port, first ensure the vehicle is completely turned off. Locate the removable panel under the driver's side dashboard, typically near the steering column or pedal area. Gently remove the panel by prying or unscrewing it to expose the OBD2 port. No special tools are usually required. With the port now accessible, connect your compatible OBD2 diagnostic tool. Insert the tool firmly into the 16-pin connector until it clicks into place. After inserting the tool, turn the ignition key to the key on, engine off position. This powers the vehicle's systems without starting the engine, allowing communication with the OBD2 system. The OBD2 port serves as a communication gateway to your Trax's engine control unit, the vehicle's central computer that manages all engine operations and monitors sensors throughout the vehicle. Through the port, external scanners can read diagnostic trouble codes that pinpoint specific problems, such as engine misfires or sensor failures, helping you understand what needs repair. The port also enables monitoring of real-time vehicle data, including fuel consumption, emission levels, engine temperature, and other performance metrics for ongoing vehicle health assessment. Additionally, the OBD2 port allows you to reset the check engine light after addressing the underlying issue, clearing the warning and restoring normal dashboard operation. All this communication relies on the CAN protocol, a robust network system that enables fast, reliable data transfer between the vehicle systems and diagnostic tools at speeds up to 500 kilobits per second. You don't need to be a mechanic to use the OBD2 port. DIY users can access it with affordable scanners that connect to smartphones. Popular apps like Torque display engine data, fault codes, and real-time information such as RPM readings. Car Scanner Pro shows diagnostic trouble codes, live data, and sensor readings directly on your phone. Wireless OBD adapters like the V-Gate iCar Pro use Bluetooth or Wi-Fi for convenient diagnostics without direct port access. These tools help identify potential issues early, potentially saving you money on repair costs by preventing major breakdowns. Consider the case of a Trax owner diagnosing a P0300 misfire code and discovering a faulty ignition coil, saving 50% on repair costs. The P0300 code indicates random or multiple cylinder misfires, which can be detected through the OBD2 port. The faulty ignition coil caused symptoms like illuminated check engine light and thick exhaust smoke, which were identified early through diagnostic scanning. Another example involves Trax owners using the port for emission checks, preventing costly catalytic converter replacements by identifying sensor issues early. These examples highlight the port's role in preventive maintenance, allowing owners to catch issues before they become expensive problems. Automotive experts emphasize the OBD2 port's reliability as a universal gateway for vehicle health. While the physical port endures for now, the future involves OBD3 proposals focusing on cybersecurity and integration with telematics. Trends include AI-powered scanners and a potential shift towards USB-C or cloud-based systems in newer vehicles. The OBD2 port in your 2013-2017 Chevrolet Trax is a valuable tool for maintaining your vehicle's health. By understanding its location and functionality, you can proactively diagnose issues, save on repair costs, and ensure your Trax runs smoothly. Despite future trends, the OBD2 port remains essential for these model years.